After years of speculation, denials, and classified whispers hidden behind the walls of America's most secretive research programs, the United States Air Force has officially acknowledged the existence of the SR-72 Darkstar, a hypersonic reconnaissance and strike aircraft designed to succeed the legendary State Route 71 Blackbird. This confirmation marks one of the most significant revelations in modern military aviation, an announcement that the world's most powerful air force has now entered the era of sustained hypersonic flight, combining the speed of a rocket, the precision of a drone, and the stealth of a fifth-generation fighter into one revolutionary platform. Developed under extreme secrecy by Lockheed Martin Skunk Works, the same elite design bureau responsible for the SR-71, F-117 Nighthawk, and F-22 Raptor, the State Route 72 Darkstar represents decades of research into propulsion physics, thermal management, and advanced materials science. Sources close to the program indicate that the aircraft is capable of reaching speeds exceeding Mach 6 over 7,400 km per hour, making it the fastest operational aircraft ever built. To achieve this, engineers developed a turbine-based combined cycle (TBCC) propulsion system, a hybrid between a traditional jet engine and a scramjet, which allows the aircraft to accelerate gradually from takeoff speed to hypersonic velocity in a continuous flight path. This breakthrough eliminates the need for rocket-assisted launches, granting the State Route 72 the flexibility to operate from standard runways while still achieving speeds once thought impossible for atmospheric flight. Beyond raw performance, the SR-72's design philosophy emphasizes survivability and versatility. Its long, knife-like fuselage is sculpted for low radar visibility, with sharp edges blended into smooth curves to scatter incoming radar waves. The surface is coated in an advanced heat-resistant ceramic carbon composite capable of withstanding temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius, a critical necessity when flying at hypersonic speeds through the upper atmosphere. Engineers also developed a revolutionary active cooling system that circulates cryogenic fuel through the aircraft's skin, preventing the structure from melting under immense aerodynamic heating. The result is a machine that not only defies radar but also resists the very heat of its own velocity, a technological marvel that fuses stealth and speed into a single, unstoppable form. Operationally, the State Route 72 is believed to serve dual roles: strategic reconnaissance and prompt global strike. In its reconnaissance capacity, it can gather real-time intelligence anywhere on Earth within an hour, streaming high-resolution imaging and signals data to command centers in the continental United States. In strike configuration, the aircraft could potentially deliver hypersonic precision weapons or deploy micro-drones deep into hostile airspace before defenses can even detect its presence. This combination of speed, altitude, and stealth makes it effectively immune to interception by any existing surface-to-air missile system. The Darkstar's arrival signifies that the United States now possesses the capability to respond to emerging threats faster than adversaries can react, transforming military strategy from reactive to preemptive. Analysts note that the SR-72's existence reshapes the global balance of power. Russia and China have invested heavily in hypersonic weapons like the Avangard glide vehicle and DFZF platform, but neither nation has publicly demonstrated a crewed or reusable aircraft that can sustain controlled hypersonic flight. The Darkstar therefore places the United States years ahead in both aerospace engineering and military deterrence. However, this advantage also carries new risks. The unveiling of such an aircraft could accelerate the ongoing hypersonic arms race, pushing rival powers to develop countermeasures and destabilizing the delicate equilibrium of global deterrence. Interestingly, traces of the SR-72's design have surfaced in popular culture. The aircraft featured in Top Gun: Maverick, thought to be a fictional prototype, bears striking resemblance to leaked patents and eyewitness descriptions from test flights near Edwards Air Force Base in Area 51. Experts now believe that Hollywood's Darkstar may have been a carefully sanctioned glimpse of the real thing, a subtle way to condition public perception before the aircraft's official acknowledgement. Several pilots and satellite observers have reported sightings of black triangles, or silent streaks of light, across the Nevada sky in recent years, reports once dismissed as UFO myths, now reinterpreted as early State Route 72 test flights. From a strategic standpoint, the State Route 72 embodies the Pentagon's long-standing vision of prompt global strike (PGS), the ability to deliver a non-nuclear strike anywhere on Earth within 60 minutes. With a platform like Darkstar, this concept moves from theoretical doctrine to operational capability. Imagine an intelligence update in Washington triggering a flight in California, and within an hour, a high-speed precision strike neutralizes a target thousands of kilometers away, all without detection or response. This is not science fiction anymore, it's the new face of modern deterrence. Despite its promise, the State Route 72 also presents immense technical and ethical challenges. Maintaining flight stability at Mach 6 requires unprecedented computational control systems, and managing the heat and pressure on the aircraft structure pushes materials science to its limits. Moreover, the potential for such an aircraft to carry out near-instant global strikes raises difficult geopolitical questions about escalation and accountability. If a single country can strike anywhere, anytime, without warning, how will the world maintain peace? For now, the U.S. Air Force has remained deliberately vague about the Darkstar's current operational status, confirming its existence, but not disclosing whether it has entered active service. Yet the statement alone has sent shockwaves through defense circles. Military experts agree that this announcement signals the official dawn of the hypersonic age, a new era in which speed and stealth converge to redefine air dominance. As nations scramble to adapt, one thing is clear: with the State Route 72 Darkstar, the United States has reclaimed its position at the cutting edge of aerospace technology, once again turning science fiction into strategic reality. In short, the State Route 72 is not merely an aircraft, it is a symbol of the future, a fusion of human ingenuity, advanced engineering, and raw military ambition. It represents the next evolutionary step in humanity's pursuit of ultimate speed and control of the skies. If the State Route 71 was the shadow that ruled the Cold War's heavens, the Darkstar is the silent storm that will define the wars of tomorrow. In conclusion, the official confirmation of the SR-72 Darkstar marks the beginning of a new era in aerospace and military power, one defined by speed, stealth, and near-limitless reach. This aircraft is not just a technological achievement, but a symbol of how far human innovation can push the boundaries of flight. As it blazes through the upper atmosphere at hypersonic speeds, the Darkstar reminds the world that the sky is no longer the limit, it is the battlefield of the future. Whether viewed as a guardian of peace or a harbinger of a new arms race, one thing is certain: the State Route 72 has changed the rules forever, and the world will never look at the skies the same way again.